We have been working with the harvester for at least the last 4 years, and we have been running a very long research study in which we have been trying to demonstrate the clinical utility of this technology in the IVF world. And we have several conclusions about that study. First of all, we have seen that it's a process that improves the sperm selection, and the quality of the sperm is significantly better in many aspects, molecular and just numerical. Better morphology, better motility, better recovery, and also if we think about the DNA quality, better sperm DNA quality in between others. But apart from that, we have seen that it's a technology that is very friendly using. We have seen that we can optimize the process of embryo selection. We can do it more efficient. We can reduce the time used for that process, which means that at the end, this type of technology may reduce cost or improve the efficiency of the sperm selection process. Our gold standard of sperm selection has been the SwimCount or the gradients, and it has been used in the last 30 years. And this type of technology, from the laboratory perspective, is improving the process. It's making the process shorter and is making the process more efficient. So, from the lab perspective, an automation of the process, which is a great value. From the clinical perspective, the possibility to do a better selection, recover more sperm quality, more quantity, better molecular quality of the sperm, and that may be reflected also in the outcome of the cycle. Well, if we think about not only low sperm quality but also bad sperm quality, the possibility of improve the sperm quality through a process of better selection is always better, especially in the worst cases, in the patients with low worst prognosis. So if we're able to improve recovery, those patients with less amount of sperm could be benefited with a technique that can be less invasive, for example, artificial insemination instead of IVF. And if we think about the patients with bad sperm quality, let's say that we're able to recruit or get those sperm with best quality, we may expect that the outcome may be improved through this process. Well, it's a revolution of the field because, again, we have been using the same technology, the same procedures in the last 30 years. In the last 30 years or more, we are doing sperm selection through SwimCount or gradients, and nothing else happened, or at least nothing else that has been easy to use and easy access to all the clinics. So it's a revolution because by first time we're going to be able to automate a part of the process which is related with the sperm selection, and together with that, potentially improve the process of selection and then being able to recover sperm with better quality that are going to be able to have better outcome. Replace the methods of DGC or SwimCount basically because it's doing the same process but quite much more simple or more efficient. So we're looking to an alternative. Let's say we're thinking in a future lab which is totally automated. The part of the automation that is coming from the sperm selection comes with the harvester. So harvester is an option to automate the process of sperm selection, with the secondary benefit of improving the sperm quality by this selection and also reduce the cost.